So today I'll be showing you how to enable notifications on the cover screen of your Galaxy Z Flip 7 so that you can just swipe like this to see your notifications. So to enable that feature, simply go to Settings. Under Settings, scroll down to Cover Screen, tap on that, and then go to Notifications, tap on that, and then you want to allow by enabling that. Okay, now once you enable show notifications, you will see show notification pop-ups even when the screen is off. You can choose to enable or disable that, and also you can choose to enable or disable quick responses on the cover screen. Okay, so now on the cover screen, to see your notifications, you just need to swipe across. Okay, even without unlocking the phone, you can just swipe across and you can see your notifications. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you have any comments or questions, you can talk to us in the comment section. Good luck.